wàá wá jà kí sójú ọ̀nà tó lọ. Láyé lẹ́yìn àwọn ọ̀tẹ̀ tó máa tú kìá wọ́n ti gbàgbé pé Arabic language wọ́n á ní olúwọ̀ àbòsílẹ̀ ẹ̀ má lélẹ̀ díà kò ń ṣe olúwọ̀ lórí àwọn kúkú sùn àwọn tó jẹ́ pé Islamic studies ni wọ́n ṣe wọ́n sọ pé tí wọ́n pè ní díà is about selflessness. Òótọ́ pè ní díà kí ran ọ̀yá mi lọ́wọ́ láì ní ìtòrí. Òótọ́ pè ní díà òní kí mọ́lá ní Yorùbá kó má lo tribalism ó lè ṣàkóso. Òótọ́ pè ní díà òní ká tọ́jú lé ká tọ́jú àwọn òbí. Ìyẹn ni ọlọ́rẹ́ wa ṣe lé ní lótórí ẹ̀ lóko wa. Tó bá jẹ́ pé gbogbo àwọn olóṣèlú wa pátá wọ́n ti sì láti máa ṣe lé ní bàbá ìlú àdọ́tì 50. Èyí local government ní Nàìjíríà kọ́ àdọ́tì 50. Jàmá ṣáàtì náà ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ìsinmi ti dé. Lòmí ò ní àdọ́tì ẹ̀ owó yẹn máa fi fún ẹ̀ ní wàhálà ní. Kò dẹ̀ sí ẹni tí ò ní bẹ̀sán nínú. Èyí ọ̀nà ewu adé ní ìdóṣe lẹ́yìn. Àwọn ọmọ lójókòó yìí. Ọ̀nà ewu wọ́n pè lúkà ní Mississippi l'Amẹ́ríkà. Bàbá àgbà kan wà bẹ̀ olówó kan. Ó wá sẹ́kọ̀ọ́ owó kan. Olówó yẹn kọ́ máa access the federation lọ́dọọdún. Ẹrú ọlọ́pàá wá access owó yẹn. Ó ṣe first degree, ó ṣe second degree, ó wá parí PhD yẹn. This morning ló náà ìgbà tó wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe graduation tó ṣe PhD bàbá yẹn wà ní regular visitor to the university. Bàbá yẹn wá wọ́n náà tó kù ẹni tó ń náwó ẹ̀yẹ kò rí wọ́n á gbọ́dọ̀ dárúkọ ẹ̀ ní ìjókòó. Ọ̀rọ̀ àníbẹ̀ ọlọ́pọ̀ láìsí nípa tó ń sọ fún un ó wá lọ bá bàbá yẹn wọ́n á dárúkọ ẹ̀ bàbá yẹn bá ó dára àwọn ọ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ tó ṣáà sí ẹ̀ lọ. Gẹ́gẹ́ bá àwọn ọmọdé ìṣe máa pàdé yí lọ́la ẹ̀ jàmá ẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ tó èyí tó máa ti gbọ́dọ̀ lọ́la nù ọ́ tó máa ti sínétọ̀ tó máa ti pírẹ́sidẹ́ntì Nàìjíríà kí náà ṣe fẹ́ kọ ìta ẹ̀ tí ò ní pẹ̀. Ó wá sọ fún bàbá náà pé ó ti jàǹfà ní I just want to say thank you. Bàbá yẹn wá sọ pé you don't have to. Ọ̀rọ̀ ayọ̀ wá ní kó dúpẹ́ fún mi o but if you really want to thank me tó bá fẹ́ dúpẹ́ fún mi ṣé o máa ń tí mo fẹ́ olóhùn mọ́. Ẹni tí ni bàbá yẹn sọ bàbá yẹn ní replicate this to others. Èyí tí mo ṣe fún ẹ yìí tí wọn náà bá lágbára ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fáwọn ẹlòmíì.
Prayers were offered for Honorable Adeniyi's political, physical, and financial success.
Well, I'm particularly delighted that Honorable Adeniyi has chosen to give back to his society, has chosen to bless school kids in the way he has done. There are many families that need to be supported in our society. Many of them can't even pay exam fees for their children. They can't afford to buy the JAMB form. People are going through a lot in our country. So we need as many people as possible who have been blessed by God to show kindness, to offer hope. And this is what I see that Honorable Adeniyi has done. These children will return home feeling happy, and it can make a timeless impression or a timeless impact on their lives, because there are many children today or many adults today who will have been able to complete their education if they had that little support.
We thought kids cannot be brought up in isolation. I also have my own kids, and I see a lot of kids that are having challenges, not because of their own choice, but accident of birth. And I felt, if you think you want to take care of it just yourself, what about your neighbors? And I can say it's just born out of compassion for other people. And then I felt, let's interfere with these kids, so that if we show mercy to them, when they grow up, they will also be merciful. And that's just basically what prompted it. Yeah, the only thing that can develop this society is education. If you see a farmer that uses cutlass and hoes, with a little education, he will know how to use mechanized farming. And when he goes into mechanized farming, he will have better yield. No matter the kind of environment you are, you need education. Education does not end in just the four walls of the classrooms. We have Arabic education, we have a religious education, but right now we need civic education because the major problem we have is moral latitude. And we feel if we start this way, we can really make all these kids to see the other side of life that, look, when you impact on other people, you are indirectly impacting on your own life.
Firstly, I have to thank God because this my boy has been practicing this not one day. He has been doing it, having the plan for his community for many years, which has been planned for the community. Even before I become chief, he was the one that assists me to become what I become today in the community. I pray to Almighty Allah to assist him to become the chairman of Feredo.
I feel better and I feel good because I like this dad because he give us something and she give us everything. I appreciate him, sir. Thank you, Honorable.
This is not the first time. This is the third time. I'm one of the strongly participants. He's one of the persons we need to upgrade education at the grassroots. He has been doing this, in which if people can emulate him, other people that have, if they can emulate him, some pupils, some parents are half, while some are half not. Government cannot do anything, everything. So if you can see people upgrading our pupils that have problem of pencil, biro, uniform, some of them came to school with touched cloth, touched sandal and so on. This man has gone to each schools. This is how he did it every year. To know the children of halves through dressing, to know the children of half not, and he has picked them at random that covers all the primary school to make sure he improved them in the education. He has been improving them for the past 2 years, but this year is another superfluous one. He said he's going to adopt them throughout their primary school life. That every year we'll be supplying them whatever they need from primary school age till the end of primary school. So our prayer on behalf of Headmaster, we pray for him. If it's the type that got there, and people can put him there, I know the education will not have problem in the state. So on behalf of Headmaster, we say more grace to Mr. Honorable Adekunle Samsidin, more grace to his elbow.
We appreciate God on his behalf. We thank God, all adoration being to him for his protection and guidance on Sammy and all members of his family. Sammy is a very nice man. We served together at Radio Local Government. He was SLG then, secretary to the local government, where I was supervisor for environment. He has been humble. He believes we are all one. And that's how he behaved in the community. In fact, today, we thank God for him because what we are expecting is more than this. But for what God has done, we still thank him. And we wish him well. By this time of next year, we want him in a better position in Lagos State.
We're told to come that they are going to give us our children something, such as the materials they are going to use in school. Ṣùgbọ́n inú wa dùn gan-an tí orúkọ báyìí bá ń lọ. In fact, àwọn ọmọ wa gan inú wa orí á máa wú wọn láti lọ iléèwé nítorí pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ ni ò kí ń jẹun kó tó lọ school. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ ni ò ní bàtà tó máa wọ̀ lọ iléèwé. Ṣùgbọ́n bó bá ṣe ń lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà tán ti ṣe báyìí tó bá tún di ká má dáwọ́ dúró Ọlọ́run á máa ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́. A sì fẹ́ nǹkan tó ju bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ náà tán bá kọ́lọ́run kó wá gbé wọn lọ́wọ́ sókè. Káwa òbí náà a dẹ̀ dúró nídúró pé Ọlọ́run tó ti ń fún wọn ṣe kò ní padà lẹ́yìn wọn. A fi àsìkò yìí ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn. A fi oṣù Ramadan yìí ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn wípé gbogbo àwa òbí lápapọ̀ a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn gidigidi. Ilé wọn á rójú, ọ̀nà wọn á ráyè, ilé wọn ò ní dàrú, Ẹ̀pẹ́ ò ní dàrú, Erédé ò ní dàrú, ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó ní general kò ní dàrú, federal pàápàá ò ní dàrú. Inú wa dùn, ayọ̀ wa kún.
And as the event came to a close, everyone was convinced that more needed to be done to help the many indigent children access better quality education, which would not only boost their standard of living when they grow up, but would also inevitably make them better citizens to all and everyone's eventual benefits.